U.S. stocks gained for a second straight session on Monday as investors sought bargains after the Nasdaq and S&P 500's four-week tumble and assess the latest economic data to gauge the impact of the Trump administration's policies. Retail sales rebounded marginally in February, but fell short of expectations, reflecting the increasing uncertainty over tariffs and large-scale firing of federal government employees. A separate report showed March factory activity in New York State plummeted the most in nearly 2 years. Get a look at the day ahead in US and global markets with the morning bid US. The only signs of a bounce back in spending from January's weather-induced slump, and stocking up ahead of tariffs, was in online spending, said Brian Jacobson, chief economist at Annex Wealth Management in Menomonee Falls, Wisconsin. Sentiment is often a horrible predictor of spending, but the good vibes that have propped up spending are now a distant memory. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJI, opens new tab rose 353.44 points, or 0.85%, to 41,841.63. The S&P 500, SPX, opens new tab gained 36.18 points, or 0.64%, to 5,675.12, and the Nasdaq Composite, IXIC, opens new tab gained 54.58 points, or 0.31%, to 17,808.66. In addition, U.S. homebuilder sentiment dropped to a 7-month low in March as tariffs on imported materials raised construction costs. When the Federal Reserve meets on Wednesday, it is widely expected to keep rates unchanged, according to CME's FedWatch tool, opens new tab. Fed officials will also announce economic projections with their policy statement, giving the most tangible evidence yet of how U.S. central bankers view the likely impact of Trump administration policies that have clouded a previously solid economic outlook. The Federal Reserve Bank of Atlanta adjusted, opens new tab its forecast for first quarter economic activity to show a 2.1% contraction, down from the March 7 estimate of a 1.6% contraction.